Okay, to continue the little tour here, here's the dust collector, drill press, my bench. It's a Diefenbach bench, German outfit. This vise, well, the tail vise here, and the other. You can see the knobs are Coca-Cola. Changed those out. I figured it was more fitting for this particular bench. It's a beautiful bench. I really quite like it. Stable as you could ever want a bench to be. The table top, the bench top is being flattened. Inside of this cabinet here, I'll show later, is all the hand planes, hand saws, and that sort of thing. My dust-proof stereo cabinet. I can show that on another video. This cabinet here, I made this a few years ago. This is a fun little unit. Full extension drawers and interesting dovetailing here on all the drawers. And there's what, 2, 4, 6, 8, 16 drawers in total. It holds a ton of stuff. Well, okay, I'll go through that in another video. I'll just continue on with the big stuff tour here. Okay, the oscillating belt sander. It's my only 220 volt machine. Wonderful machine. By the way, all the machines are all on rollers, so I can move them about. Jointer. This is a 6-inch, but it's a long bed for this model. And behind here we got a couple of grinders, a 6 and 8-inch grinder. The 6 is no Black & Decker, the 8 is a Delta, and there's, I'm not sure if you can see it on there, there's some Lee Valley tool rests on there. Next we have the bandsaw. I wasn't really nuts about the guide system on the original, so I replaced it with a Carter system, and that improved the machine tremendously. Okay, mechanics cabinet. Some cabinets that I've made over the years. This one, the upper one, is just for sandpaper. Each drawer is just big enough to hold sandpaper. And these drawers here have been just a wonderful thing for holding all the stuff that we tend to collect. I think that they're about 5 wide and I believe about 7 or so deep, about 3 high each, roughly. A gazillion, I forget what the number is there. There's over, I believe there's over 150 drawers there. It's, I was quite astounded. But anyway, there's all the smaller stuff. Drawer for all the smaller stuff. And my wonderful router table. Just some. Top of the line, everything that I could get with this, I did. It's just a spectacular router table. By far the best one I've ever used. Variable speed, on, off, and the Milwaukee router in there. Just a joy to use whenever I got the chance to use it.